blast yield chart. We're going to cover all the milestones, talk about all the events in today's video on the evolution and history of the atomic bomb. We are starting our timeline back in 1945 with the first atomic test, the Trinity test. This test occurred on July 16, 1945 at 5:29 a.m. local time at what was then the White Sands Proving Ground, just 40 miles southeast of Socorro, New Mexico. This was an atmospheric test with a blast yield of about 25 kilotons of TNT. The height of the mushroom cloud reached over 38,000 feet. The Trinity test was a culmination of the top-secret Manhattan Project. The device itself looked like a metal sphere with wires attached to it, and it was referred to as the Gadget. This was also the first bomb to utilize the implosion plutonium design. Now, obviously, the Trinity test was the largest atomic bomb ever detonated, so it is indeed our first record holder. Less than a month later, on August 6th, the first use of an atomic bomb during wartime occurred over Hiroshima, Japan. The atomic bomb named Little Boy exploded with a yield of about 16 kilotons, all in all taking the lives of somewhere between 80 and 140,000 individuals. The Little Boy atomic bomb design was the first gun-type fission weapon, and the first atomic bomb to only utilize uranium-235. Only a few days later, on August 9th, the city of Nagasaki would also be struck with an atomic bomb, taking the lives of 40 to 80,000 people. It is the last atomic bomb to ever be used during wartime. The bomb used over Nagasaki utilized the Mark III or Fat Man design, which was an implosion plutonium device based off of the first atomic bomb during the Trinity test. The Mark III Fat Man design was the first bulk-produced atomic bomb with 120 built. On September 2nd, 1945, World War II would come to an end, and surprisingly, the next nuclear bomb test wouldn't occur until a year later in the summer of 1946 with Operation Crossroads. The actual first post-war atomic bomb detonation was Crossroads Able, which was also nicknamed Gilda. This occurred on June 30th, 1946, and utilized the Fat Man Mark III atomic weapon design. The blast yield was about 23 kilotons, and it was detonated about 600 feet above the water, 3.5 miles away from Bikini Atoll. Bikini Atoll is part of the Pacific Proving Grounds, one of several test sites we will be discussing today. The second test of the Crossroads series was Baker, also about 23 kilotons. The Baker test was the first underwater